%82 of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. All you have to do is just hit that subscribe button one time and you'll be a part of the family. I'm sure you already watched probably a ton of our videos already. So what you waiting for? The page could be on the come up. Let's go. Hit the sub button. Yo, what's good everyone, and welcome back to the DJ family. Yo, we got token cough freestyle. Now we know anything with tokens about to go crazy, and if it's a video, the visual is about to be insane. So with that being said, I'm mad excited for this. Let's get it. Let's go.
Brand new crib, I love to wake up top at the same time as my breakup. That girl dread just like Jamaica. Window blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. Touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still independent.
Wait a minute. My man just basically told us he got a brand new crib. He just had a breakup. My man literally just got a brand new deal. Oh man, come on. Hey, he finna clown on this one. He finna clown on this one. Come on, man. Come on. He said, I only love back when everything gone. Oh my goodness. I only love back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feels like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire. Ride me so quickly, it feels like some getaway car she stole. I'm sleep. I ain't never heard that in my life. Back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feels like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire of flows, and I still set the bar with those. Chick, I really don't trip, but I get a deck of card on those. My patience thin, I'm Kendall. Temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken. Temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. You better hope Kevin don't see that one. Kevin gonna come with the jokes, man. You better be ready for it. My God, come on, bro. I used to record in the closet. In between all them jackets. Told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved it right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I'll be in the UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, Papa Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got girlfriend. Queen Elizabeth on top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. Oh my goodness, bro. This man literally done said more in these 55 seconds than mumble rappers say in 3 years. That's crazy. Come on, man. Wow, he said killer so that the bros can have it. He said, I don't got no girlfriend no more. No attachments. That's crazy. Who was your girlfriend? I don't even know. I have no clue, my God. No more attachment. Ovary leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy and leave an open casket. Just so the broken habit. I'ma get the homies active. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest. Tigers pass it. I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes. Lashing out, I buy her back. In this life, I imagine this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes. Oh, come on. Back in this life, I imagine this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. Money first, I put the bag above us like it's a carry-on. Oh my goodness, bro.
Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely even my type, dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, so think this shit a hair salon. Just met she let me hit it off the bat, I think she think I'm bare bones. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Hey, fuck engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marriage on. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit when the time get a free to turn. Baby, keep up, I'ma get the pussy when I get the meat up. I'ma get the wife when I get the print up. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just import it. My old girl tried too hard to...
Wait a minute. So you are in a relationship? My man literally telling us since the beginning he was not in a relationship unless he was in 2 relationships at once. I don't know, bro. I have no clue at this point. But we understand that the new girl don't have an IG, my guy.
My brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just import it. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got afford it.
Woo!
Just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lawyer, but I got 3 in my fucking corner. I can give you up cups, couple corners on the... Fuck.
Hold on, man. Hey, curfew next week. Hold on, bro. Hey, man. My man Token's a monster, bro. He's a lyrical monster. Yo, if y'all enjoyed that reaction, you already know what to do. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you comment your thoughts down below. And if you ain't subbed to the channel yet, what you waiting for? Let's get it. Let's go.